So this is our first step towards plastic reduction. And one of the biggest issues that we had was that in supermarkets and all the shops that we've been into, everything you buy, although it's loosely displayed, is basically covered in plastic. Or even if it's just loosely and not covered in plastic, it's put into a plastic bag to be weighed, and then a sticker has to be stuck on the plastic bag, which ultimately ruins the plastic bag to be used again. We're making our own bags to take to the supermarket. I thought I'd do a quick how-to. So basically what we did is we used an old shirt. You can use anything really. It's probably good to make it a cotton-based material, but in all honesty it doesn't matter, as long as it's something that you can wash. We cut our pieces, this is a small example, into a sort of long shape like that.
Oh, we sewed it.
Folded them over.
Wow, it works.
Like this. I know, right? And then basically sewed around the edges.
With thread.
Completely around the edges to make it a square shape. To put the drawstring through at the top. So the tops were sewed so that there was a sort of passageway. And then we,
No, you took my needle.
at the moment I'm just cutting the seams out of this shirt. So where there's a seam, because it's quite a good drawstring. It's already been sewed so it won't fray so badly. So we have one bag that the drawstring's already on, which Ruby's working on. Drawstring, so you can keep your fruit in there. So you put your fruit in there, you get it weighed, and then they can stick a sticker on it if they need to for scanning. And basically there we go, we've saved hundreds of bags of plastic that we might normally use to put fruit and veg in, or rice or grains or anything really. We're going to go and try and use them at the supermarket and see what happens. So it's our second rainy day in China. Luckily we spent the day making lots of I don't know, bags and sewing and in the nice warmness, because it's cold today and it's wet. So this is the state of our planet today. Fruit, which actually has its own cover, is now being covered in plastic. So you've just got individual grapefruits covered in plastic, which you know, is pretty appalling. Individual lemons covered in plastic. So this is our method of fighting back. No, no, no. No plastic.
看外国人比中国人讲究环保，循环利用。
谢谢。
听得懂中国话。
Right, let's go. Yay, we saved the plastic. One plastic bag is not going to go into landfill on our watch. Give the lady the bag. No, 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 no. Look.
Ah, 那怎么办？是又是我。妈呀，这是小开心好玩。
谢谢。
来，宝贝，
谢谢。Oh, this way. Bye. I think that's the funniest thing that happened to her all day. Leaving another place. This is our last, well actually second to last place in China.
Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our video. And don't forget to click on like below. Don't forget to subscribe to the TaawkTV channel below. Bye.